Welcome back. Today we're tackling a common concern that many of us face: excessive armpit sweating. But fret not, as we have natural solutions and essential oils that can help you put an end to armpit sweating naturally. So let's dive right into it. Before we explore the remedies, let's understand what causes armpit sweating and why some of us may experience excessive sweating in this area. Number 1. Sweat glands. Our armpits have apocrine and acrine sweat glands that produce sweat as part of our body's cooling mechanism. Number 2. Hyperhidrosis. Excessive armpit sweating, also known as hyperhidrosis, can be triggered by various factors, including anxiety, hormonal changes, and genetics. Number 3. Irritants. Deodorants and antiperspirants with harsh chemicals can sometimes irritate the skin, causing more sweating. If you like this video so far, do smash the like button and share this video with your friends. Now let's delve into the natural remedies that can help stop armpit sweating without harsh chemicals. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that helps reduce sweating. Mix equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar, apply to your armpits and let it dry before rinsing off. Number 2. Witch hazel. Witch hazel has a cooling effect and can be applied to the armpits to control sweating. Number 3. Baking soda. A baking soda paste can act as a natural deodorant and help absorb sweat. Number 4. Tomato juice. Tomato juice's astringent properties can help shrink pores and reduce excessive sweating. Apply it to your armpits and rinse after 15 minutes. Number 5. Cornstarch or arrowroot powder. These natural powders can absorb excess moisture and reduce sweating. Number 6. Essential oils. When it comes to essential oils, it's best to choose essential oils with both antibacterial and astringent properties, as those with antibacterial properties can help combat odor-causing bacteria in your armpits, while those with astringent properties help shrink the pores and makes it effective in controlling sweating. You can apply them directly to your armpits as a natural deodorant if there isn't any broken skin or skin irritation in the area. Some of my favorite options for controlling armpit sweating will be tea tree essential oil. In addition to having antibacterial properties, tea tree oil is a strong antiseptic too, which helps to keep your armpits squeaky clean. Bergamot essential oil. Besides having antibacterial properties, bergamot oil has a refreshing citrus scent and can help regulate sweat production. Lime essential oil. Lime oil's uplifting aroma can provide a fresh feeling, while its antibacterial properties help reduce odor-causing bacteria. Like tea tree oil, lime oil has antiseptic properties too. Lemon essential oil. Lemon oil's fresh scent can act as a natural deodorant, while its antibacterial, astringent, and antiseptic properties help control sweat. Peppermint essential oil. Besides having antibacterial properties, peppermint oil's cooling effect can soothe the skin and reduce sweat production. Cypress essential oil. Cypress oil is known for its astringent properties, making it effective in controlling sweating. It contains antibacterial or antiseptic properties too, making it a perfect candidate as a natural deodorant. Number 7. Teas. Teas, specifically certain herbal teas, can help reduce armpit sweating through their natural properties and ability to support the body's cooling mechanisms. Here are some ways in which teas can be beneficial in managing excessive armpit sweating. Number 1. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for regulating body temperature and sweating. Drinking herbal teas, which are often caffeine-free, can contribute to your daily fluid intake, keeping you hydrated and potentially reducing the need for excessive sweating. Number 2. Cooling effect. Some herbal teas have natural cooling properties, which can help lower body temperature and reduce sweating. Peppermint tea, for example, is known for its cooling effect and can help you feel more comfortable in warmer conditions. Number 3. Relaxation. Stress and anxiety can trigger excessive sweating. Certain herbal teas, such as chamomile and lavender, have calming properties that can promote relaxation and help manage stress-induced sweating. Number 4. Detoxification. Some herbal teas like dandelion tea or nettle tea have mild detoxifying properties. They can support the liver and kidneys in eliminating toxins from the body, potentially reducing the need for sweating as a detoxification mechanism. Number 5. Antioxidants. Herbal teas are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants promote overall health and may indirectly contribute to better regulation of sweating. It's important to note that while herbal teas can be a helpful complementary approach for managing armpit sweating, they may not completely eliminate excessive sweating in severe cases. If you are experiencing persistent and bothersome armpit sweating, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to identify any underlying causes and explore appropriate treatment options. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.